Okay guys, nataka nionyeshe pressure ya maji yenye inakuanga pressure kali sana. So hii pressure hii ni plumbing installation. So unaona unafanya hivi, inakuwa na pressure mingi sana. Una make sure sasa hii pressure ina depend na maji. Kama maji iko hapo chini, pressure iko chini. Kama maji iko juu, depth it depend on depth of the water. So pressure depends on the depth of water. Thank you very much. Kazi safi.